This is the next question. Factorize completely. So we are given 18px negative 27p. This is question A. Question B is mt negative n negative m positive nt. Now let me consider A, which is 18px 27p. I'm going to take 9 out, and then p is here, I take p out. So 9 2s are 18, you have x here, 9 3s are 27. So this is what you have got. Question B, mt negative n negative m positive nt. I'm going to club these two together, mt positive nt, then I have a n and a m. I take t out, I get m positive n. I take negative 1 out, I get n positive m. M positive n, m positive n, I can take them out, giving me t negative 1. So that's the solution for this question.